Hey guys, what's up? It's Bri, and today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. You guys seem to love my get ready with me videos because they're just fun and chit chatty and you get to watch some makeup while it's all happening, so it's a good time. So yeah, I am so excited. My get ready with me's are always fun. We're catching up, we're spilling the tea, we're doing some gossip, so it's always a good time. So if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and let's get into it. So the makeup brushes that I'm using today is from mymakeupbrushset.com. I will show you guys a better close-up when I'm going into detail about all the brushes I'm using. I'm using the 24 kit in the jet black color, and guys, all of these brushes, there's 24 of them. You can get all of them for $29.99, and I actually have a code because this video is sponsored. If you guys use my code SAVEWITHBRIANNALEEYT, it will give you 10% off, and you get all of these brushes for less than $30 if you use my code. So go check that out. They will be linked down below. Thank you to My Makeup Brush Set for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited because I have used these brushes before and they are the bomb and they're really good quality. They don't shed. I haven't had any shedding issue. But I do want to mention that I would never do a sponsored video if I didn't believe in the product 100%, but I promise you these brushes are actually worth it for such a cheap price. Like, if you're a beginner in makeup, or even if you've done makeup for 10 years and you just want like a nice brush kit, I really recommend these brushes. So as this video goes on, you will see how the brushes work, how I'm using them, how good they look. So I'm gonna show you how they work. You can see for yourself that they're really good. So without further ado, let's just get into it. I primed my face already with my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. You guys know I swear by this because, guys, my face has just gigantic pores, and we're actually gonna be talking about my giant pores in a minute. Let me get into the makeup and then we'll do the chit chatting because I could talk all day if I wanted to. Yo, do you want to give yourself a shout out?
Poppy Shampoo, Instagram, musician, we here, we taking over, Boston Pride, bam.
Alright, I'll link his info down below. Next thing I'm going in with is the Ole Henriksen. I honestly do not know how to pronounce this. I'll give you a little close-up because this is what it looks like. I honestly have no idea how to pronounce it, so I'm sorry, but you can read it yourself. As you guys can see, I have really bad bags under my eyes. I'm also just taking this flat brush right here and I'm using this to apply, and ooh, this feels like really nice on the skin, like really hydrating. So the next thing I'm going in with is my Fenty by Rihanna foundation. You guys know I love this. I did a whole review on it, and that's something else that I want to do. I want to start doing more makeup tutorials because that's what I came on here to do. So I started my whole YouTube channel just to start doing tutorials, and I haven't done like any because honestly I kind of got discouraged, I'm not even gonna lie, because they just wouldn't get any views. And I know views aren't everything, but when you want to start a channel, you want people to watch your content, and I realized that those weren't the videos that you guys wanted to see from me. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna start them up again because I did gain a lot of new subscribers. By the way, guys, we hit 13, I look crazy right now. We hit 13,000 subscribers, which is insane, and I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, I can't even believe, never mind, I can't even believe I hit 1,000 subscribers, never mind 13,000. Like, it is insane. It is so insane to me. And also I'm going in with this foundation brush right here, and this is amazing because it doesn't leave your makeup streaky at all. I hate going in with brushes for foundation because I always feel like it's just always streaky, like always. I've never had a brush that doesn't leave my face streaky ever, and this is actually, and this is the only brush that I've tried, like not even lying, that that hasn't left my face streaky at all. And as you can see, it just like, ooh, look at that coverage though, like, also I just want to say again, thank you so much. Like, it is just a dream come true. You guys are making my dreams happen, and I love you guys for it. You are all you are all so amazing. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, you should follow me at BriannaLeeYT. But I was saying on Twitter that once I hit 20,000, I will be doing another giveaway. So, you know, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your brother to subscribe. Guys, this video is going to be so chit chat and rambly because I have so much to talk to you guys about because I haven't uploaded in a while, and I'm going to talk about that for a second because, alright, as you guys know, I did the 12 days of Bri, and honestly that kind of I don't know how people do Vlogmas. Well, I guess because you're vlogging your day, but when you have to sit down and plan your videos, like, and usually I upload like 12 videos a month, never mind uploading 12 videos a week, so I kind of honestly was out of like video ideas. And then some of my videos actually ended up getting deleted, so I had to refilm my videos, and some of them just like didn't export. I think I had to refilm like 5 videos, and I started pre-filming back in like November, so it was really frustrating. So I was pretty much editing and uploading every single day, which was crazy to me, and that was just a lot of work because, you know, I do have a lot of stuff going on in my life. I'm very busy. I'm a busy girl. So that was pretty hard. So I just really didn't have any motivation after the 12 days of Brie were over. I'm like, I really need a break just to catch up with everything and, you know, just get my life figured out and situated. But, you know, your girl is back and better than ever, you know. And by the way, sorry, I forgot to mention, I'm going in with this concealer brush right here. And then I'm going with my beauty blender just to clean everything up. But yeah, I just want to say to all of my new subscribers, what up, girl, or man, or boy, whatever you are. Thank you so much for checking out my channel and deciding to subscribe. Like, you crazy. I just want to say thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I do a ton of giveaways. I just do random giveaways in certain videos. So make sure you watch every single one of my videos because I usually do a giveaway like once a month or something on my channel. So you don't want to miss those. So to set my face, I'm taking this little brush right here. This is a great powder brush to set under the eyes. I have not done one of these in so long, and they're probably my favorite, like one of my favorite videos to film because they're just so chill and relaxed. We can get ready together. You can put this video on in the background of you doing your own makeup, and we can just get ready together. It's just a good time. It's like you're getting ready with a friend, you know? I love watching YouTube videos when I'm getting ready. That's literally what I do. I don't listen to music. I literally watch YouTube videos. So if you guys do that too, thumbs this video up and let me know in the comments. I'm curious. And I'm going to go in with this angled brush. You could use this actually for eyeliner, your brows, whatever your heart desires. It's very versatile. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials like in the future, please let me know because I love doing tutorials. Like, this is the whole reason why I started my channel. What made you subscribe to my channel? Was it one of my videos? Was it my personality? Was it because you liked my face? Was it because... I don't know, you tell me. Tell me why you subscribe to me. That is the question of the day. I'm very curious. The brows are snatched. Mind you guys, can I just say this for 1 second? It is 12:42 a.m. Let me know why I'm still up. Alright guys, so the other eye is complete, and oh my god, this makeup look is so dark. I was not expecting to go this dark. I kind of just, you know, went with the flow, and this is where I ended up. One of these angled brushes, and this is perfect to apply blush. And I'm not doing a lot, I just want like a nice little rosy color on the apples on my cheeks. Then I'm gonna be taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and yo, I like hit pan on this a long time ago and I'm still going strong because I don't want to buy another one. And to bronze on my face, I'm using this big fluffy brush. As you can tell, it's super soft and it applies product really well. I feel like a little ninja girl or something. Taking this huge fan brush, like just look at this. It is just the softest thing. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it right in the middle. Yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. I think this is my favorite brush out of the whole kit. Oh my lord. Just look how well that just applies the highlight. Oh, blinding. Gonna do it on my nose. So cute. Yeah, I felt really bad because a lot of you guys were commenting in my full face of Wish makeup video like, I love your eyes, I love your eyes. I'm like, girl, these ain't my eyes, they contacts, but thank you. So yeah guys, these are not my natural eyes. I do not have green eyes, I have light brown ones. So you guys can go to some of my earlier videos to see what my real eyes look like. I just think it's fun to like play with your makeup with different color eyes. I don't know, I've always wanted color contacts. But yeah guys, this was the final makeup look. Again, if you want a tutorial on it, let me know down below because I'd be happy to do that for you guys. I actually love how it turned out. I mean, again, this isn't an everyday look, but I just thought it was fun. I'm not going anywhere. Might as well go big or go home. So, you know, we're doing this dark smoky eye action. And yeah, I had a lot of fun talking to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!